Hello everyone. Welcome back guys. So dear students, this is the fifth video of this series, that is tricks for faster calculations in CUET 2022, right? So in this video we'll learn some concepts of percentages, right? That will help you a lot in many topics, questions of many topics, right? So the topic name is percent reciprocal equivalent, right? Percent reciprocal equivalent. What does it mean? So first tell me guys, what do you mean by term percent? So basically percent is what? Percent is per plus cent, and cent is a French word that means 100. So percent means per 100, right? Percent means per 100. ये symbol use कर सकते हैं, or you can write it as per 100. So for example 30%. 30% means 30 out of 100. 30 out of 100. And percent is a comparison tools. परसेंट इज अ कंपैरिजन टू. डिटेल में हम अभी इसे डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है. जो हम आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं परसेंट रेसिप्रोकल इक्विवेलेंट. तो 30% मींस 30 आउट ऑफ 100, 30 by 100. यू कैन आल्सो राइट इट एज 3 by, राइट. फॉर एग्जांपल 25%. तो 25% मींस व्हाट? 25 आउट ऑफ 100. 25 आउट ऑफ 100 वी कैन आल्सो राइट इट एज 1 by. यस और नो? तो गाइस आपने जनरली सुना होगा कि परसेंट को अगर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है तो डिवाइड कर दो 100 से. रीजन इज दिस कि 25% मींस 25 by 100 इज 1 by 4. और अगर किसी फ्रैक्शन को कन्वर्ट करना है जैसे लाइक 1 by 5 इन परसेंट, तो व्हाट विल डू? जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. 1 by 100, 1 by 5 into 100 मींस व्हाट? 20%. आता कहां से? तो 1 by 5. ये 1/5 किस में गिवन है? 1/5 आउट ऑफ 1. आउट ऑफ 100 कितना? जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द साइड्स बाय 100. तो आउट ऑफ 100 कितना? 20. 20 आउट ऑफ 100 मींस 20%. नो नीड टू डू दैट. तो सिंपल है, फ्रैक्शन को परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करना है, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय, राइट. तो परसेंट इनटू फ्रैक्शन. परसेंट तो सिंपल मीनिंग है, परसेंट मींस पर 100. 30% मींस 30 by 100 और 3 by 100. सो हम इस तरह नहीं करेंगे, राइट. तो कभी आता है 25%. लेट्स से 25% ऑफ समथिंग, 25% ऑफ x. तो हाउ टू राइट 25% ऑफ x? 25 by 100 into x. 25 by 100 is what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4x. Guys, no need to write this step basically, right? You must know what is 25% in terms of fraction, right? You must learn, right? 25% is what? So 25% of something is same as 1/4 of something. 1/4 of something. Yes or no? So 25% is equivalent to 1 by 4. You must learn some percent reciprocal equivalent. That will help you a lot, right? जैसे कि अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, guys tell me what is 14.28% of, what is 14.28% of 49? ठीक है, तो गिव मी ए मिनट. लेट्स से अभी इस पर बाद में आते हैं. लेट्स से a% ऑफ b. व्हाट इज a% ऑफ b? आई होप कि सबको मालूम होगा व्हाट इज a% ऑफ b. तो a by 100 into b. a by 100 into b, राइट. तो देखो 14.28% ऑफ 49 इज व्हाट? 14.28 by 100 into 49. अगर आपको नहीं मालूम है व्हाट इज 14.28% इन फ्रैक्शन, इसका इक्विवेलेंट नहीं मालूम है, तो इट विल टेक टाइम. आप कैलकुलेट करते रह जाओगे 14.28 by 100 into 49. But you can directly tell me the answer without pen and paper of this example, because you must know 14.28% is what? 14.28% is 1/7. 1/7 part, right? 14.28% of something is 1/7 of something. 14.28% is equivalent to 1 by 7. आप इसे solve करोगे ना, 14.28 by 100, what you will get? You will get 1 by 7. So no need to write this ना. अगर आपको मालूम है 14.28% is equivalent to 1 by 7, just directly write down this one as 1 by 7 of 49. And 1 by 7 of 49 is what? 7. आपको पेन भी यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, राइट. 14.28% is of something is 1 by 7 of something. For example, let's take different example. What is 6.67% of 135? 6.67% of 135. अभी कुछ लोग इस तरह करेंगे, सर 6.67% की 6.67 by 100 into 135, और बहुत टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे, राइट. नो नीड टू डू दिस, राइट. नो नीड टू डू दिस. यू मस्ट नो कि 6.67% is what? 1 by 50. 1 by 50. 6.67% is equivalent to 1 by 50. Means 6.67% of something should be same as 1/5 of something, 1 by 50 part of something, right? So हो गया solve. So basically you have to find 1 by 15th part of 135. That is 9. That is 9. No need to write this. Got it. But for this, you must learn some equivalent, right? That will help you a lot. तो मैं one by one कुछ equivalents mention कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पर नोट कर यहाँ पर आपके सामने लिख रहा हूँ तो आप लोग उन्हें learn करने की कोशिश कीजिएगा all of you. For example, one, you must learn that this is literally very important. This will help you in percentage topic, profit and loss topic, SICI topic, TSD, or you can say in DI, right? What is one? One is equivalent to 100%. 100% of something is complete. So 1 by 2 means half. Half is equivalent to 50%. Fraction को percent में किस तरह करते हैं? Into 100 means 1 by 2 into 100 is 50%, right? 50% you can say half of something. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equivalent to इसका half कर दो 1 by 2 1 by 50%. What you will get 25%. You have to learn both the orders, right? 1 by 4 is equivalent to 25%. 50% is 1 by 2, both the orders. Similarly, 1 by 8 इसका half करो 12.5%. 1 by 8 is equivalent to 12.5%. 12.5% is equivalent to 1 by 8. 1 by 16, half of this one, 6.25%. 1 by 3 is 33.33%. 1 by 6 is equivalent to 16.67%. 1 by 12 is equivalent to half of this one, 8.33%. You must learn these things, right? 8.33% equivalent to 1 by 12. 1 by 5 is equivalent to 20%. 1 by 5 is 100 by 5, 20%. 2 by 5, 40%. 3 by 5, 60%. 1 by 7 is equivalent to 14.28%. जब किस तरह कर सकते हो 7 to 14, 14 to 28. 7 के डबल 14, 14 के डबल 28. तो 1 by 7 is 14.28%. 1 by 14 is equivalent to half of this one, 7.14%. And 2 by 7 is equivalent to double of this, 28.56%. And एक और important है guys, 3 by 8. 1 by 8 is 12.5%. 3 by 8, 3 times of this one is 12.5 into 3 is 37.5%. 37.5% of something is same as 3 by 8 of something. For example, if the example is like find 37.5% of 512. So what to do? 37.5% is 3 by 8. And 512 is what? 8 cube. Just cancel out this one. What you will get? 8 square. Means 3 into 8 square means 3 into 64. 3, 4, 12, carry 1. 3, 6, 18, 19, 190. So 1 by 9 guys. 1 by 9 is equivalent to 11.11%, right? 1 by 9 is equivalent to what? 11.11%. Similarly, 1 by 10 is equivalent to 10%, right? 1 by 10 is equivalent to 10%. And 1 by 11 is equivalent to 9.09%. 9.09%. You must learn these things. This will help you a lot, right? Many times. And one more thing, let's say 1 by 15 is equivalent to 6.67%. 1 by 15 is equivalent to 6.67%. So these are literally very important, right? This will help you a lot many times. Got it, guys? Many times. So these are few examples for you guys. For example, 37.5% of 512. अभी हमने discuss किया. 8.33% means what? 1 by 12. 1 by 12 of 156. Solve it, you will get the value. 12 and 12, 13. What you will get? 13. There's the answer. One more thing, guys. Let me tell you this thing too. A% of B is same as B% of A. What does it mean? देखो, A% of B is what? A by 100 into B. And B% of A is what? B by 100 into A. Right. So this is AB by 100. This is also AB by 100. Both are same. यहाँ पे आपको फाइंड करना है 78% of 20. 78% of 20. Instead of solving for 78% 20, you can also find 20% of 78. ये easily हो जाएगा. Right? 20% of 78 means 1/5. 1/5 of 78. 1/5 of 78. There should be 515 28. 55 28. 15.6 should be the way. Right? You can solve like this. So these two are homework for you guys. Yes or no? These two are homework for you. Try to solve these two examples. Right? So that's all for this video. So I hope आपको चीजें समझ आई हो अच्छे से. And literally this thing, the percent reciprocal equivalent is literally very important. That will help you a lot in many topics, right? honestly speaking. So bye bye everyone, take care guys, keep watching, thank you.